I wanted to show you exactly what we use the Accelerator Drain Field Cleaner with and for. Dr. Pooper sent this for our review, and we've been using it for 5-6 months alongside other Dr. Pooper products, and our septic, if it could talk, it would thank us enormously, and we are so thankful for it as well, because the septic actually is a 3-tank septic under the ground right here, and this is the main pipe out. It would have a very, very bad odor, of course, in super hot weather. We never drain it because it is a type of drain field system. We never have it pumped out, of course, so no draining out. And this is literally just a couple of pucks. Look at this. The first kind of like, the first thing you need to do is the 2 pucks, and after that we just do 1 puck every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, depends, sometimes we forget, and this thing basically just goes and eats all the organic matter, just make sure that everything is balanced. And honestly, our septic has never run better, our pipes have never cleared and drained better, thanks to Dr. Pooper. And thankfully, we also know that this is also made in the US like every Dr. Pooper product, which we're really thankful for.